Sericulture. Sericulture in simple words is silk production mechanism by an insect. At the commercial level or the production of silk from silkworm by rearing practices on a commercial scale is sericulture. In India, major silk producing centers are in Assam, Punjab, Kashmir and Karnataka. Silk production in India is 2,969 tons per year. India ranks third in the production of silk. Mysore, Karnataka is the largest silk product producer state. Sericulture. Sericulture. The process of breeding, growing, management of silkworms to get pure raw silk is sericulture. There are many different species of silkworms found. For example, mulberry silkworm, airy silkworm, giant silkworm, etc. The insect which produces silk is called silkworm. History of silk. The production of silk originates from China. At that time, silk was not only in use for clothing but also for a number of other applications. The color of silkworm was an important guide of social classes during the Tang dynasty. The Arabs also began to manufacture silk at the same time. As a result of the spread of sericulture, Chinese silk exports became less important, although they still maintained dominance over the luxury silk market. During the 16th century, France joined Italy in developing a successful silk trade, though the efforts of most other nations to develop a silk industry of their own were unsuccessful. Process of sericulture. To obtain silk, moths are reared and their cocoons are collected to get silk thread. Rearing of silkworm farmers buy eggs and raise them. They kept these under suitable conditions. Then the eggs are warmed so that they can hatch. Then they let the caterpillars grow in that particular condition. Caterpillar eats mulberry leaves. After this, they kept these caterpillars in the clean bamboo tray with mulberry leaves. The caterpillars moved to a chamber to build a cocoon in that tray. Also small drags are provided so cocoon get attached. And then silkworm spins the cocoon inside. Processing silk. As the cocoon are acquired, they are kept under some more boil so the silk fiber can be separated, or reeling the silk process of taking out threads from the cocoon for use as silk. Silk fiber thus obtained are drawn and rolled into threads. Taxonomic position of silkworm. Phylum Arthropoda, jointed, incision insecta. Subclass Pterygoid, have wings. Division and Pterygata, go through distinctive larval, pupal, and adult stages. Order, Lepidoptera, 4 large covered wings, bear distinctive marking, and larva that caterpillar. Superfamily, Bombycoidae. Species Mori. Species of sericulture. More than 500 species of wild silkworms exists in the world, although only a few are used to produce clothes. These two are as follows. 1. Bombycidae, Bombyx mori. Bombay mori is popularly called the Chinese silkworm or mulberry silk mood. It is well known for silk. Mori is caterpillars that are about 4 centimeters long, including their horn tail. They are buff-colored and have brown lines on their whole body. It is a native species of China and is famous for silk in Japan, India, Korea, Italy, etc. It feeds on mulberry leaves, so it is also called mulberry silkworm. Also, it is one type of monophygous insect which continuously feed on the mulberry leaves. Hence hence it is called Veracruz feeder. Bombyx mori has several races and varieties. The life cycle of Bombyx mori. In silk moth, the sexes are separate. The development includes a complicated metamorphosis. After fertilization, each female moth lays about 400 to 500 eggs. These eggs are placed in a cluster on the leaves of the mulberry tree. The eggs are smaller, oval and usually yellowish. The egg contains a good amount of yolk and is covered by a smooth hard shell. After laying the egg, the female moth doesn't take any food and dies within 4 to 5 days. In the univoltine, they may take a month because overwintering takes place in this stage, but the multivoltine brods come out after 10 to 15 days.